Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to be discussing the hair paint wax. Come on. Here.
First off, welcome.
All my old time subscribers, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video as well. Okay, let's go ahead and get into it. Now y'all have been asking me, come on, about this doggone hair paint wax. Okay, I've seen it around Instagram. I think it's not new. Everyone has seen this, right? And I decided to go ahead and purchase this with my own money. If you are unaware of hair paint wax, I'll leave their information in the description box. And this is how it looks on the inside. It smells like my husband. It has a very cologne-like smell, like a man, like a fresh man. So directions say to apply a small to moderate amount of wax to damp hair, then style as usual. So that's what we're gonna do. Now, okay, I have the curl enhancing smoothing in my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Wet Line Extreme, which is, if you're new here, this is Bay. And mind, this is amazing. The curl enhancing smoothing by itself, although it looks, you know, like it could come out okay, it won't. Okay, just trust me. I'm not gonna focus so much on this wash and go, meaning like I'm not gonna care if it's super defined. I really just wanna see how the hair paint wax is going to look. If you wanna see it more in depth on how I do my wash and goes and all that good stuff, you guys can check out all the videos in my playlist, which I will link up above. We're gonna go ahead and get into this hair paint wax, but first, have you subscribed? I mean, just you're here, you want to see about the hair paint wax, so do I. Go ahead, click the subscribe button down below. I'd love to have you part of Fam Bam. Alright, and also, I know you guys have been wondering about this shirt. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, then you already know, we've already seen this shirt, amen. But if you're new here, I just always say, amen. It just means like amen or yes girl, or you know, it's just a saying that I just came up with, and I just always say amen. Okay, and I made it into a shirt, so I'll leave that link down below for you guys to purchase them. I would love to see you guys rocking them and all that good stuff. I know a lot of you guys tell me that you guys do say amen. It makes me very proud, so go ahead and support your girl by perhaps purchasing that shirt down below, and I'll leave the link for you guys to go purchase the shirt and a couple other items if you would like to. I'm excited. So this feels super thick. Super thick. I'm scared. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. So I'm not doing it in sections or anything like that. I'm just slapping it on. I don't know if I should like do my roots. But yeah, because it is hair paint wax, it is weighing my hair down. So if you have like finer hair, just be mindful of that. We're gonna see how it dries. Oh, come on. Here for it so far. about that much, so not a whole lot. My hair feels just like it would feel if I had just a gel in it. I feel like a really hip granny. I feel like I got some grandchildren around somewhere. This will look cute, like if I did sections. You can see like the black peeking through. I wonder how it would be if, like, if I took some and just got the areas that didn't really take, or that some of the, oh snaps, oh, shut the front door. Wow, so in the areas that, you know, some of the color came off, I'm just going back with the color. It's not messing up my curl pattern at all. Wow, oh my God. Lord, please have me look like this when I'm 60. Now it is transferring on my hands, so when you touch your hair a lot, it's gonna transfer. My hands are not sticky. My hair just feels so good. Oh my God. Oh, my hair just feels so good, y'all. I'm about to sweat. Oh, Jesus. Let me know what you guys think. Would you try it? Have you tried it? What do you think? Like I said, my hair feels really, really, really good. Not hard at all. It feels extremely pillow soft. All right, guys, let me know what you think. Look, you want to try another color? Like, oh my God. Alright, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you have not. Love y'all for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.